How to fix Weekend Find Your Camera 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Weekend Find Your Camera 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, just click on this search bar right here and search for settings. So let's search for it. And then this will open the settings of your computer. Then from in there, what you need to do is to just search for privacy. So let's search for that. And here you can see the privacy settings. So click on that. And then from in here, you can see a lot of privacy options. So in here, just click on camera and make sure that camera is turned on right here. So the second method is to head over in here and head over again to your system or just search for troubleshooting. In here, you can see this troubleshoot settings or this troubleshoot other problems. So let's click on these other problems right here. And in here, you can see the additional troubleshooters. So from in here, you can just find camera, or if you can't find camera, you can just click on this incoming connections, then click on it, click on run troubleshooter, and that should be able to fix your problem. Then the next thing you need to do is to head over and search for device manager right here. Click on open right there, and then from in here, you can see this window. So let's just wait for it to load. And then from in here, you can see this a lot of things right here. So what you need to do is to just look for camera, but if you don't have that, then you need to install a driver. Next thing you need to do is to just head over to this display right here. So this is the display adapter. Just right click on it, click on properties, and then from in there, just try to update the driver if it is not updated. So the next thing you need to do is to head over to your settings again, and then from there, click on apps. And then you can search from this list. So let's try to search for camera. And here you can see the camera. So in here you can just see advanced options. And the advanced options, just make sure that all of this are turned on. But you can also just reset it if the app is not working right. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Weekend Find Your Camera 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!